Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name's Mimi and we're going to be making some slime. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is some school glue or whatever kind of glue you need. I got this from a slime kit. So that's how we're going to be making it. And so first what you're going to be doing is adding in the glue. I don't know who put caps on glue. Don't look at me. Sorry, my mom keeps looking at me. Wait, we need food coloring. Mama, give me some food color. Okay, please. Okay, so you're gonna put the school glue inside of the thing of your bowl.
Yellow.
We're going to be making some yellow slime. So, alright, now that you have your glue in your bowl, you're going to be adding your shaving cream. Huh. I'm not adding water. I know it's not empty. So I need a fork, so I will be right back. Hey guys, and we're back with a spoon. So we're going to mix in your shaving cream and your glue. So this part's optional. You can add in your food coloring now or maybe later. I'm going to add it in now. And it looks orange. I don't know. It looks orange. Oh, nope. It's turning out to be yellow. So I don't want my slime to be like hand color changing. And that causes from too much food coloring. That's how my red slime was. And it did not turn out good. So I had to dump it out. Okay, so this is a really pretty yellow. It's a different color in the camera. And so what we did for the borax was half a teaspoon of borax and half a cup of water. So right now we're going to be adding some silver glitter. Because I like, oh no, blue glitter? So my mom wants to add in some blue glitter. Would that be good? Yeah, blue and yellow's a really pretty color. Okay, so we added a lot of glitter. So you're just gonna mix in your glitter. Where's it going?
Get the size of your bowl.
What? The sides of my bowl. Sorry, my mom's talking to me.
By that other hand.
Okay, anyway, so this should be cooled down now. So I'm going to add a little bit at a time because you don't want to overactivate your slime. Because if it's overactivated, it will be hard and it won't be stretchy or good at all. Because I'm like totally the slime expert. So once it starts to clump up, that is the activator activating your slime. So now you're just going to keep mixing. And add them until you get that right consistency. When I get this right consistency, I will get back to you. So now I'm going to start kneading it, but you're going to have to roll up your sleeves so you don't get your beautiful clothes dirty. So mine's pretty activated, but now I'm just going to knead it with my hands so I get it all the way done. Well, I'm actually going to put a little bit more activated before I touch it with my hands because I don't want it all over my hands because I will get yelled at and probably get banned from slime if it's everywhere. So, yeah, we're just going to take it out of the bowl and start kneading it. Okay, as you're kneading it, you're gonna want to knead it, I guess. I don't know. Oh, the camera view moved. And it's gonna start to get less sticky as you play with it. So that's plus. So, but if you do actually need some more activator and it's not getting less sticky when you're playing with it, you're gonna need some more activator. It's yellow. It's just a beautiful color. And yes, this slime kit is an awesome slime kit. I really recommend it. So have a nice day. So this was Mimi's channel. So please subscribe, like this video. Bye.